I have a evaluation. Hello everyone, happy Vlogmas Day 6 and welcome to episode 2 of my Vlogmas series this year. If you're wondering, yes, I'm in the same sweat set I was in yesterday, and if you're wondering, it's from Rina, which I will leave a link and a screenshot right here and their link down below. My friend Britt is the owner and she's killing it with this small business game. What's your secret to staying young?
Pray to the Lord and stay whatever from worries, be enjoying with everything. Love your children and your grandchildren. They're so good.
Wait, he just proposed? You guys were boyfriend and girlfriend? This was a little unexpected, but I'm going to be giving my younger brother his Christmas gift because it's a travel item and he is leaving on a work trip tomorrow. So early Christmas present. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
What is this?
You can use it tomorrow.
What's this?
Your Christmas present, so don't complain you don't have anything Christmas morning.
I guess.
I mean, you can use the bigger one, so.
Can bite me? Why you?
Bye, Happy. It is the end of the night. I'm whispering because the rest of my family is already asleep, but look at my room. It is clean. Okay, so this pile is all the stuff that was over there, but at least it's kind of like, you know, over there, but it's clean. I can walk now and there's no like giant pile of clothing literally everywhere. I am tired. I've already washed up and all of that. Skincare's on. It's time to go to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Happy Vlogmas Day 7. It is currently 9:34. I've been working for a few hours already, but I'm just now getting around to getting ready. Since working from home, I feel like I don't like get up to get ready and then go to work. I can just kind of like roll out of bed and start working if I need to. The reason I'm getting ready today is because I have a evaluation. This is supposed to be like my end of the year review since it's December. I'm not really used to stuff like this. It's like very formal. Like I had to fill out like a survey and figure out what I want to do moving forward and all of that. If you can hear like banging and hammering and all of that, it's because there is construction going on downstairs. I feel like it's never ending, like the work that happens around my city and by my house apparently. And now there's a siren. It is currently 2 p.m. or almost 2 p.m. but I've pretty much been working since my evaluation, which went really well. The main thing that I wanted to talk about with my boss was kind of just that anxiety and pressure that I've been feeling from working at home and just having the need to like always work even when I'm not on the clock anymore. So she just really enforced me to like make sure I take my breaks and you know, just reach out if I needed any help. I'm very much that type of person that, like, if I can't finish a task that's been assigned to me on my own, I feel like guilty, or I feel like incapable. So I think I was just like pushing myself a little too hard. But overall, she said I did really well. So I'm just gonna work on my time management and just taking things one step at a time. Hi everyone, happy Vlogmas day 8. It is currently like 2 p.m. and I just got out of bed. I didn't just wake up though. I basically like woke up, grabbed my laptop, and just started working from bed. It was just so cold and I had a lot of work to do, so I've just been like sitting there since like 7 a.m. Obviously, I'm starting off with my matcha. And then I'm warming up some oil so I can make some spam eggs and rice because your girl is hungry. And then I'm also going to be doing some meal prep. Not like meal prep, but preparation for dinner. My parents are both working and my brother is on a work trip. So no one's here to make dinner for tonight. We have a ton of mushrooms, so I'm going to make like a mushroom cream pasta. Here's what I'm working with. I have my egg with some garlic salt, my spam, and instant brown rice because I don't have time to cook a whole pot of rice just for me. While I'm eating quickly, because I'm also trying to film, I'm going to prep my dinner stuff. Again, I'm making mushroom pasta, so it's gonna deal with portobello mushrooms, cremini mushrooms, and then just to like spice it up a bit, I have these dried shiitake mushrooms. Because they're dried, I'm gonna let them soak in some water to like let that flavor out, and also use some of that water for broth. If you hear drinking, it's because my dog decided to drink right next to me. A little after 9. Just finished cleaning up dinner and I'm so tired. But before we end the night, I wanted to share what I've been using for when my body is feeling sore like this. This is the Hempbase CBD cooling cream. Hempbase kindly sent this product for me to try, and I like using this whenever my body's feeling sore after a workout, or days like this where my body's just so exhausted and I'm feeling kind of sore in certain places. Yeah, don't forget to check out Hempbase. I'm going to leave my discount code right over here. Hempbase also sent me their Milk Orange Cream Premium Hemp Extract Oil. Guys, this smells like a creamsicle and it smells so delicious. Honestly, I've only used this like 1 or 2 times. I don't take it on a daily, but if there's ever a time where I'm feeling really anxious or unsettling, I just take a few drops of this. So yeah, again, I'm gonna leave my discount code in the description box if you guys want to check out Hempbase. This isn't sponsored by Hempbase, but they did send me a few of their products to try, and I thought I would just share it with you guys in case you guys are interested. But anyway, for the rest of the night, I'm just going to wash up and edit. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hello everyone, happy Vlogmas day 9. It is late in... excuse you. It is later in the day. I finished work. Kenny and I are headed out to get some boba because I deserve it. It's been a long couple days. And then we're gonna go for a walk. It's probably gonna be like pitch black by the time we do our walk, but at least it'll be refreshing. And yeah, so I'm taking off my workout goal for today and haven't posted on Instagram stories yet and haven't journaled yet, so we still gotta do that.